Hi, Pat here. I got a Nakamichi cassette deck model BX 125. This was made about the mid 80s. It does power up, but nothing is happening. And I can't even get the door to open. And my best bet is that belt is broken. So I'm going to take the cover off and take a look. The belt is in there. When I hit play, it spins for a little bit, then it just stops. And I still can't get the front door to open on it. So I'm going to have to tear it down a little farther. I got the front cover off. And you see right there, the wheel's up against the capstan. And it's stuck in play. And that's why it wouldn't open. There's a little tab right back there. If I hit that down, it'll let me open the door. But now I gotta see why it's stuck in play. This mechanism came out pretty easily. It just had like 4 plugs. And it came out free and easy to work on. And I believe my problem's probably right there. All kinds of cams down there. And I'm sure somehow or another it got jammed up. I looked this thing up on tapeheads, and they say the common problem with this motor here, it gets a bad spot in it that gets dirty and the brushes don't work right. And this cam, which came off right there, operate all these switches. And they said shoot some deoxin in it, take a 9-volt battery, and just let it run for a while. Clean the brushes off. And it says switch your polarities, let it run the other direction. I have this mechanism back together. I hit fast forward and it spins. Rewind will go just for a little bit because it'll kick off. It's nothing unusual because that ain't spinning, the sensor ain't going to sense it, and that's the auto stop. If I hit play, it's not turning. So that's going to be my next problem here. I got in here with a Q-tip and a little alcohol. Clean that roller and the pinch roller down there. And I got a little chunk. This is 3000 grit sandpaper. Very light. I just let it lightly run over it. Just take the black grays off them both. This is, I get this at the auto parts store. This is 5000 grit. But that worked. And I'll treat them with a little of this stuff. And all should be good. I got the mechanism back in. Got my speed test tape in. And it's holding pretty solid. It's a 3000 hertz tape. And I couldn't get it just any closer than that. But it's holding solid. I'm trying a little recording now. I'm going to stop and rewind it.
Miles from nowhere, not a soul inside.
So it's recording good. I got store-bought tape in now, and it's sounding good. This deck came out pretty nice. Thanks for watching the video.